In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone number in Yahoo Mail. Adding a phone number to your Yahoo account is a smart way to keep your inbox secure and make account recovery easy if you ever get locked out. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, keeping things simple and clear. Start by opening your web browser of choice. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and find the Sign In option. Click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your account. Depending on your setup, you may be asked for your username and password, and possibly a verification step. Make sure you have access to any device you use for verification. Once you're signed in, you'll see your profile area at the top right of the page. Click your profile to open the menu, then choose Manage Your Account. This takes you to your account management dashboard, where you control settings related to your profile and security. From here, go to the security section. The wording and layout may vary slightly by region, but you're looking for the area that manages your sign-in and recovery settings. Inside security, find the phone numbers option and open it. This is where Yahoo stores your recovery and verification numbers. Click Add Phone Number. If you see an additional Add Phone Number button or confirmation prompt, select it to proceed. You'll get a field to enter your number. First, choose the correct country code from the drop-down so messages reach the right destination. Then type your mobile number carefully, double-checking for any typos. Continue and follow the on-screen process to finish. Typically, Yahoo will send you a verification code by text message or offer a voice call. Keep your phone nearby, enter the code exactly as you receive it, and submit. After the code is accepted, your number should appear in the list, usually marked as verified. A few quick tips to wrap up. Make sure the number you add is one you actively use and can access immediately. If you travel, the correct country code is essential. If something looks different on your screen, stay within your account's security area and the phone numbers page. The options are the same even if the layout changes slightly. Finally, if you ever change your mobile number, come back here and update it promptly so you don't lose access to important recovery options. And that's it. You've added a phone